Alright, Delano. Big victory. Tell us about it.
It was a good victory, I mean, especially my teammates, I mean, me and him working together. I was really afraid of him than Tag, because I know what he do in training. I mean, he always beat me in training, I always beat him in training. So I didn't know what to expect at champs. I said, you know what? I have to go all out, but if someone beat me, I would like him to be synergy. So
Were you satisfied with the race?
yes, I was satisfied with the race, but looking forward to go faster, but I mean, never got a great start. Usually don't have a great start, but it was a good win for me.
What time you were looking to get?
About 10-1 high. I mean, they wanted to get the record. Nevertheless, I never got the record, but I felt really great winning.
Are you in your best shape?
I wouldn't really say I'm in best shape because, you know, Champs was 1 week earlier, and I mean, my schedule, I mean, my program was set for me to actually run about 10-1, 10-0. But I mean, coach had to, start reorganizing the program, so I can't like take 1 week from us. I really think I needed 1 more week, but I just came to the championship.
Was the preparations more prepared for World Champs since you did?
Yes, World Champs really, but Champs was one of the main stages that I had to push for.
You're going to run in the 200, which is said to be a stronger race. Tell us what should we expect from it?
I mean, I expect a great race from Tada, and also my partner Synergy Gavin, also Minzy of Walk. So I mean, it's going to be a great race, tight race. I mean, but I'm looking forward to make history.
Thank you very much.